गोंयांत स्टार्टअप केंद्र जावपाची तांक आसा, ताका लागून स्टार्टअपाक लागपी गरजेच्यो साधन सुविधा तशेंच तज्ञांचें मार्गदर्शन करपाच्या नदरेंतल्यान सरकारान म्हत्वाची पावलां उबारल्यात अशी माहिती मुख्यमंत्री दोतोर प्रमोद सावंत हांणी दिल्या। गोंयचो उद्देगीक पर्यटन शाश्वत उदरगत आनी स्टार्टअपाक उर्बा दिवपा खातीर सरकारान म्हत्वाचे निर्णय घेतल्यात अशी माहिती तांणी दिल्या।
Nurturing a thriving startup ecosystem is a priority for Goa. Our goal is to enable the ideas to turn into the high-growth startup and attracting fundings. By focusing on our strength around the industry, tourism, sustainability and leverage the various central schemes that boost the startup, I believe Goa has the potential to become the startup hub. Together, I am confident that we can produce the next generation of the job creator within Goa by providing the mentoring, infrastructure and market access. We must making the entrepreneurship more aspirational for the Goan youth as the spotlight the local startup success story and inspire many more. I also welcome the idea of Mr. Nitin Kunkalekar and Mr. Anil Vaswani he had given. So definitely we will work over it. The Goa government has stands ready to actively support the companies and startups that can accelerate the state's vision to become the attractive hub for research, innovations and entrepreneurship. We aim to kickstart an entire startup ecosystem right from the nurturing bright minds and ideas to providing the robust incubation support.